What are the four types of thunderstorms? The single cell, the multi-cell, the squall line and the
Lightning and thunder are more prevalent over land than over the ocean because the sun heats land surfaces to higher temperatures, which leads to a more unstable air mass.
Thunder is caused by the rapid expansion of the air that surrounds the path of the lightning. Bolt.
Temperatures at the upper levels of a thunderstorm are well below freezing, allowing for the development of hail, but sometimes it melts.
Here's another way to explain hailstone formation. Hailstones are formed when raindrops are carried upward by thunderstorm updrafts into extremely cold areas of the atmosphere and freeze.
The largest hailstone ever measured in the US was 8 inches in diameter in Vivian, South Dakota, on July 23, 2010.
Did you know the world's heaviest hailstone was a 2.25-pound stone in Bangladesh in April? The Vivian hailstone was also the United States' heaviest, weighing in at a whopping 1.94 pounds. Hope you enjoyed this presentation. Feel free to comment, like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel.